I'm a dentist and I have done my master's in root canal. So I'm basically an endodontist. Okay, so I run my clinics. I have a family business. So, so when you graduate out of your dentistry, you're already 27, 28 years old. Well, already many of them have already half of your economy and all. You started to plan your investments and all. You're already outside the world where you're already an adult. So the stock market and all is nowhere of my concern, nowhere. म्हणजे ये पता नहीं क्या है stock market. I used to see हाँ ठीक है मेरे डैड देख रहे हैं टीवी पे ये ऊपर जा रहा है नीचे जा रहा है. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता, कुछ भी नहीं. Like stock market का S भी नहीं पता था, कुछ भी नहीं. So my mom had she has a very positive energy. So she told me इसमें you try to invest your mind, you try to invest, because as a profession is a different way. Like wherever you go as a profession, whatever you earn, but also you need a secondary investment, secondary earning, always. Wherever you earn, your primary investments are there, and always you need a secondary investments. So you try to slowly earn. ऐसा नहीं कि आज के आज मुझे अमीर बनना है, ऐसा नहीं है. Not this year, second year, third year. At somewhere the journey has to start. So secondary earning has to start somewhere. So I joined this course, and sir has a lot of patience. Like to someone to teach a 0%, like from the basic terms, like ये share मतलब क्या? What is stock? I didn't even know what is stock. What is the meaning of that stock? What is the meaning of that different positionals are there? Whatever those terms are there. So much of patience you give under that to learn. So basically, there's a setup which you learn in systematic manner. There is no haphazard things which are happening. You learn it in very systematic manner, ki theek hai, and in minimal money. So obviously, I have not earned so much of money till now. So it is minimal. I have invested starting with 10,000, like 10,000 where everyone can do it, 10,000. So in 10,000, I opened my account. Little in 2,000 you invest. One thing, slowly in systematic manner, whatever you do, and there is a process to learn. And obviously the study, the only thing what you have to give is your observation, your time to study. And because my time is very small, because I have clinics and patients to manage, so now what is the thing is, in the morning whatever I do is the share market, that is the equity, futures and all. It gets over at 3 o'clock. There is another segment which is crude, which is the full day. Full day means 12 बजे तक करो, वैसे है उसमें. So you start that segment, it has potential in the evening phase. So that there I started to get time to observe the charts and all. So in recently, whichever I have done trades, and also I have extracted 135 points with mini lots. So you can do it great with that.
Thank you. Great.